Hello friends, let me talk on today on the latest AI craze, the advent of ChatGPT in November 30, 2022. To start with, ChatGPT has the full form Chat Generative Pre-trained Transformer. It's a chatbot, basically an application of large language model on NLP developed by OpenAI and launched on November 30, 2022. During the first few weeks, 1 million users tested out the limits of ChatGPT and received a mixture of amazing, nonsensical, and useful responses. So that's it. That really went a craze, accepting both all types of responses, amazing, nonsensical, and useful. A bit of architecture. Basically, it's a neural network model with millions of hidden nodes trained on massive text data corpus. With low-cost information storage and retrieval opportunities, this could happen. This has got feasible. So, some glimpse how ChatGPT works. Suppose ChatGPT is given the prompt. The cat has jumped over the space. Then it generates the words from its studying its corpus, that fence, table, mouse, moon. The cat jumped over the fence is likely to happen with probability around 15%. The cat jumped over the table is likely to happen with probability around 10%. The cat jumped over the mouse could be true with probability 9%, and cat jumped over the moon could be true with probability around 7%. So it 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 finds the distribution of words for the blank space, and surely fence. The cat jumped over the fence comes out to be most likely with probability more than 15%. I asked ChatGPT to outline the tasks, the broadline tasks it can do. ChatGPT can generate creative writing, stories, poems, dialogues, and much more. ChatGPT can answer questions. It can get into a chatbot mode, answering questions on a vast array of topics from science, history, popular culture, current events, etc. It can do language translation. It can do coding assistance. Given the context, given a problem, it will provide a perfect, syntactically correct and useful code, say in R, Python, etc. Maybe I will demo a bit about it. Then content creation, generate content for websites, social media, marketing materials, personal assistance, educational aid. I can help with learning and understanding concepts in subjects like mathematics, physics, literature. Their conversation partner, some easygoing talk with the chatbot, that's also possible. So let us look at a bit deep down on the tasks that ChatGPT can do. They call it some insane tasks that ChatGPT can do. Generate mock interview questions and responses. Since ChatGPT generates responses based on the most likely word to come next, it is perfect tool for working out the most likely thing the average interviewer will ask. So given the job description or given the context, it will come up with frequently asked or most probable interview questions and their responses. That's a good way for preparation for interview. Can ChatGPT pass NBA exam? So that's a nice story. A professor at the University of Pennsylvania Wharton School decided to put ChatGPT through a final exam for Master of Business Administration program and asked, could ChatGPT get a Wharton MBA? The professor graded ChatGPT's work and found that it scored between B minus and B on the exam. So it didn't just scrape a pass. It did pretty well. So ChatGPT is allowing us more freedom, creativity in an assessment techniques. ChatGPT helps in winning the lottery. Packed Wincorn Burin saved the prompts used to trick ChatGPT into generating winning numbers, which included some hypothetical questions and past winning numbers. Given the past winning numbers and some hypothetical questions, ChatGPT could come up with the winning numbers for a lottery. And surely when the money and luck comes in, when the gambling comes in, one needs to be careful about the ChatGPT's ethics matrix. This is not a project to become too obsessed with it. ChatGPT as an expert travel guide. This is really an useful use of ChatGPT. I mean, planning a trip, for example, is long and difficult process of googling the ideas, finding an idea, googling the details about the idea, struggling to find those details, trying to find something similar, struggling to find something similar, and so on. So that's the repetitive, hazardous process, boring process. So ChatGPT comes out with exact and fine uh, itinerary for a travel. ChatGPT as an expert travel guide. ChatGPT as Linux admin. A Reddit user uses an application and some clever prompt to give ChatGPT the ability to execute commands and access the internet. So ChatGPT works as being Linux admin, but however, giving AI permission to download whatever it wants to your computer is a risky idea. So one needs to take care, exercise caution about you when using ChatGPT as to have the admin access of your computer. Some references: the most insane things ChatGPT has ever done. How does ChatGPT actually work? These are some articles in the net which helped me develop this topic. I'll stop here. Thank you.